addition properties, I guess there are a couple steps you can do to add numbers. If you there's an easier way to add numbers. And for example, 58 and 47, we can add them in the traditional way, 58 and 47. So 8 plus 7, what would be 8 plus 7? 8 and 7.
15.
Okay, so 7 and 7 is 14, and one more 15, and I'm carrying 1. 1 plus 5, 6 plus 4.
10.
Okay, so it becomes 105. Anyway, but if you get stuck for some reason, you can see the problem like that. And what you can do is first you can expand the number. How do you expand 58? You break it down to 50 and 8, right? And then you expand the 47. Who's gonna tell me how to expand 47? Yes?
40 and 7.
40 and 7. So now we expanded the numbers to 50 and 8 and 40 and 7. Then, or we broke down the numbers. Then we can use the associative property. Associative property to combine any numbers. And they say, according to the associative property, that regardless how you combine the numbers, the sum will be always the same. For example, with the associative property of addition, if you have 7 plus 3 plus 4, let's add them up. You can add 7 and 3 and put a parenthesis here, which is 10. Then you bring down the plus and 4, it becomes 14. But then you can combine the addends, these are called addends, differently. You can combine 4 here, you can combine 4, this, plus 3 is here. So, and now I can add 7 and add 7. And let's try them out again to see if we're gonna get the same number 14. So 4 plus 3 is 7. You bring the plus down and add the other 7, and you become, what is the sum? 7 and 7 is 14, right? So it doesn't matter how you combine the numbers, the addends, pay attention. Doesn't matter how you combine them, you're gonna get the same sum. Makes sense? So the same thing here. We can apply the associative property here. Number 1, we break down the number or we expand the number. Number 2, we can add the, any of these addends together. So first I'm gonna start with 50 plus 40, and I'm gonna create like an equation, plus, because that's an addition, and then I'm gonna add 7, and then 8. Now I'm gonna close the equation. So, what is 50 plus 40? Yes?
90.
It's 90. I bring down the plus, and 7 plus 8. What is 7 plus 8? 7 and 7 is 14. And one more? Yes?
15.
15. So what would be 90 plus 15?
105.
90 plus 15 is 5, and 0 is 5. 9 plus 1 is 10. 105. So check mark, check mark. So 58 plus 47 is 105. 90 plus 15 is 105. So it doesn't matter how you combine the addends, you get the same sum. Which is easier for you to add in your head? 58 plus 47 or 90 plus 15?
90
Yes.
plus 90.
So that's why because we actually add numbers like it's a shortcut to add them. When we break down the addends and we have a 0, it's much easier to add with zeros. Make sense? Yes? Okay, thank you.